So today we're gonna try and how to put a PS3 controller into a PC and play games with it. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to connect a PS3 controller to your PC. First thing you need is the SFP toolkit. So you just go to this website, it's available on my YouTube link, and then you download the setup. When it's done, open the file and you can just run it. Okay, then setup requires 28 review. You just see program files. I agree. Next, it's just gonna install whatever it needs. And now you just let it install. Okay, so once this is completed, you could just press the green. Okay, and so Bluetooth driver. Then you got all these options. You can see on your desktop, it's got these installed. So you can press exit. Okay, connect your PS3 controller on the computer. Then click on that driver. Press yes, you want to run it. And then when you come up here, it will show you, go to the second one, and it will show you PS3 controller. You click yes, and you press install. Stuff. Yep, all this stuff came up. Okay, so I think that's now installed. Okay, so now we got the driver installed on the computer and our PS3 is connected. I'm going to see if it works on Fortnite. Oh look, it's working. Now to play, I have to press triangle. So if I press here. So here it is. So if I jump now, oh there we go, it works. So that's how you connect a PS3 controller on a computer. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, just comment and I'll get back to you. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.